Hey friends, Chef Lee here. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to poach pears. But wait, there's more. I'm also gonna show you how to make food molecules like what you see on the internet. Start by peeling the pears. Cut the ends off and remove the seeds from the middle. In a bowl, add some lemon juice and water to the pears. Keep it from oxidizing. Then add 1 liter or 32 ounces of water to a pot. Add 1 cup of sugar, cinnamon sticks, star anise, and vanilla extract. I try not to add too much sugar and make it too sweet. Place in the pear. Pour in some lemon juice liquid and place a cartouche on top with the lids off. I just cut it out with a baking paper. Once the liquid comes to a boil, turn the heat down to simmer. Let it go about 25 to 30 minutes. To make the sodium bath, use 16 ounces of water with half teaspoon of sodium alginate into a food processor. I prefer use filter water with low mineral content. Now, some people have used tap water without any problem. Again, it's just my preference. Give it a blast and let it rest in the fridge until all the air bubbles disappear. Next, we're gonna get our wine ready for spherification. Now I just took half cup of flavored wine and mixed with half teaspoon of calcium chloride in the food mixer. And then I just thicken it up with some thickening agent like Xanthan gum. By adding a thickener, it really helps the spear's membrane to form once it's hitting the sodium bath. Once this spear takes shape, transfer it to a water bath with a spoon. There's a special spoon for this, but I like to improvise. Second method, frozen wine. I use the same ratio except no thickener. It makes it so much easier to control the size of the spears. Also, allows you to add additional texture and flavor, such as a fruit or herbs, into your flavor liquid when they're in a solid state. I'm gonna leave a detailed recipe in the description area. If you're first time here, I'm Chef Lee. This channel is all about cooking techniques, ingredients, and learning how to cook like a pro at home. If you like what you see, consider subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my future content. So for the plating, I just added some chocolate syrup and my wonderful chocolate mousse. Place our food spears on the plate. I did make a bunch of them with different color and flavors, which I believe is gonna actually add contrast to the plate. Piece of mint leaf on top of the pear, and finally a little more chocolate syrup. There you have it, and it's ready to serve. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Once again, thank you for watching my video.
Hi, Chef Lee here. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are about the video. If you have any questions and feedback regarding this recipe, I would love to hear from you. Please follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you all next time.